Finally, my license plate already came in. I was hoping everything was going well because, as you guys can see, he's already back and I didn't have my license plate yet. So I was already making modifications in this car that I didn't have even my license plate yet. So finally got them. We're gonna install them today and some other mods and fix some issues that I don't like about this car. So stay tuned. One of the first things we're gonna work on today for the upgrade is gonna be that reverse light. So I'm gonna swap those lights for LED lights. I got them on IIR. I'm gonna put the link on the description, as well as the other mods I'm gonna put on the car today. So the LEDs I'm gonna be using on those reverse lights are these guys right here. I got them in Import Imagine Racing. I'm gonna be putting the link on the description if you guys want it. So to put these guys on, there's gonna be 3 clips down here. So 1, 2, 3. It should be easy. I use this pry thing. Or you can use a flathead to take these clips out. So you just twist the bolt and it will come out. Just get ready with the new one. So this is the new bolt. That's the new bolt we're gonna put it. So we take the old one out, we put the new one. Should not matter which way you put it on. Then you just put it back in there. Twist. And you're gonna hear a clip. That's how you know when it's all the way in. That's it. Super simple. I'm gonna test them out before I put everything back, make sure they'll work. It should. Yeah, I don't think it matters the way you put them, but I'm gonna just to make sure I'm gonna test them out before I put everything back on. It looks like they're both working. They'll look all nice. All right. Now, it's getting hot. I'm in Texas right now, so it's getting the summer. It's getting super hot. For the second thing, it's gonna be the side marker. It's got the JDM side markers. It's gonna be the white one. Yeah, it looks low and the back is high. I gotta fix that because I was working back there. But yeah, so that's gonna be the second thing for today's video. So to take these guys off, it has also 3 clips right here. This one are different from the one I showed you earlier on the back. So this one, to take these ones off, they have a circle in the center of the clip. You press that in and you're gonna hear a clip, and once you hear a clip, then you can take it off. So see, you hear the clip. Now you pry it out. That's it. So here, this is the clip. You just press the inside. When you hear the click, then you can like pry it out. So to take the socket of the rear of the side marker, you might have to turn the wheel. That would make it easier. If not, you will have to take the whole wheel off. Don't forget to plug in back the connector. Now I'm gonna go my other side, and then we're gonna go to the how to fix the issues on this car that everyone is talking about. So don't go. All right, so I already got the side markers done. I put my sticker, my license plate already. I did my license plate, my reverse light. So now we're gonna go. I'm gonna show you guys the 2 issues I have that annoy me right now: the seat belt, and the other one was the engine noise, the fake engine noise that they put on this car. So when you're driving, they have like they have speakers that they simulate an engine noise when it's not, so it's annoying. So I'm gonna show you guys how it sounds with the speaker and the fake engine noise, and then I'm gonna take that off and see the difference. But sometimes I just want to move my car out of the garage and to turn it around, something super quick, but it will not, like, there you go, it started and it will not shut off. You can drive for a little bit and it will not turn off. It will stay like that and it will get louder and louder until you put your seatbelt. You see? So it's louder now. So we're gonna fix that now. That's one of the issues we're gonna fix today. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. I literally stop and it will still go. It will still go. Open my door, close it, and it will still go. So we're gonna, the only way that will turn off if I have to turn off my whole car, and that's how it will go away. If not, it will stay like that forever. Alright, to take that seatbelt noise chime off, what I heard is that you have to double hit the start button, but you're not gonna turn it off. You just like double hit it, that way it can go to accessory mode, and once you hit it, you have to have your seatbelt ready, because you have to put on and take off the seatbelt 20 times in the first like 30 seconds. Say 20 veces, 20 times. So we're gonna turn it on to see if that take that off. So I think I did it. So I'm gonna drive around the block. I don't have my seatbelt on, so let's see. No chime. Everything's good. That thing was annoying because when you have music on, it will like automatically put your music down, and we make that sound louder. So it's annoying. So now it's perfect. No chime noises for the seatbelt. Alright. So the next thing I'm gonna fix is the fake engine noise. I'm gonna drive around that way you guys can hear the fake engine noise, and then when I disconnect it, we're gonna see the difference. So you guys will see now this engine noise. To remove the engine noise of the fake engine noise of the car, so on the passenger side, this part right here, you just get like a plastic pry bar, and you just take this part out. I already pull it out, so that's how it looks like. Just take it out. So this wire right here, you see that connector, you take that off. All right, I already disconnected. Literally, you push on it and you pull it, and it will come up like super quick. I already put it back. Now we're gonna check it again. It literally didn't to make like less than 2 minutes to do it. So we're gonna go out and we'll see the difference. Oh yeah. Now all the sound you can hear it coming from the engine and not from the inside of the cabin. Alright, so there you go guys, that's how you fix those annoying issues that this BRZ has, the 2022 BRZ. Stay tuned for more. There's like more upgrades. My wheels are coming. I got my Street Hunter spoilers coming. I might get my license plate relocation also from Street Hunter. So stay tuned for that. There's a lot of upgrades coming for this car. I can't wait to see all that. And yeah, if you like this video, please hit that subscribe button. It will help me. And like this video. I'll see you guys in the next video.